Hello YouTube, here I am back with another video showing you how you can just use simple stuff that's lying around and also to repurpose older things that you have and make an art item from it. So I always I always like to bring in nature to my home, and this is a project that I did a few days ago. And it's a very I thought that it's very kind of cool to use something that's just laying around. So I actually had a couple of one by twos lying around in my garage. You can get these from Home Depot for like $2 a piece. I think you will need altogether you will need three pieces. So the total cost is like less than $5, $6, right? So the twigs that I glued to these one by twos are from one of my trees outside, a bush rather, outside, because I was trimming them and I was gonna throw them away anyway. So I actually cut them to size and I use hot glue to actually glue it to the one by two. And as you can see, I've added center support so that it doesn't sag, and I put some nails here. You can see the nail. Sorry, my throat is kind of sore. So and I added the wall hangers here to hang this to the wall. This is very lightweight. It doesn't. It's probably less than 10 pounds altogether, right? So it's not super heavy. So these small wall hangers were just fine. And I just went to Home Depot and also applied these decorative angles to stress. It serves two purpose. First, it adds some unique touch to it, and also it strengthens the corner so that it's always right angle. So you can see, it looks pretty neat. I painted it with black spray paint, and I mean, everybody who comes to my home asks me, "Hey, where'd you get this from?" And I said, "I made myself." They can't believe that this can be done so simply, and altogether it took me less than an hour, just to put it together, glue the twigs to it, right? I had already stained the wood with the Minwax stain. You could use paint, or you can choose whatever color you want to match your decor. So this is I think it looks pretty good here, and I'm happy with the outcome. So just wanted to give you an idea. If you have anything to share, if you try this out, let me know. I'll be happy to look at your projects. Thank you.